So I'm here first thing in the morning, just dropped a kid off at school, and I'm here at Lowe's. I'm going to show you guys what I used and how I made the decisions that I did, as well as kind of tell you the first couple steps to think about if you're going to do this type of project. So go through, measure your room, my favorite tape measure here, and if one of the sides of your room is shorter than 12 feet, you shouldn't have to have any seams. These rolls I'll show you in here are 12 feet, and then by whatever dimension you need. As long as I have it in stock, right? That's always the trick. And then you need to prep the floor. So I would recommend removing all those peel and stick tiles or other flooring that's there, so you have a really clean surface and you're adhering right to the subfloor. With that too, make sure that you go through and fix any high spots, any low spots, fill in any like divots, any gaps. This is also a great time to do my favorite squeaky floor dance. Bounce around on there, put in some screws on the joist lines. You should be able to see those with the other flooring off of there, and eliminate those squeaky points. This is a great time to do it because after you put the new flooring down, it'll cover any of those screws that you put down. Make sure that they're just below the surface. If you go too deep, fill it in before you put down your new linoleum. So I'm gonna go inside now and show you what options I looked at when I was here before. Alright, so here's all what it looks like in the store. Giant rolls, floor to ceiling. They're on a rotating system, so a person helps you get down the one that you want. And then you can go along and pick out whatever samples you want. And what's great is on the back of these, it shows all the information about that one, so when you take it home, it's easy to come back and find that same one again. So I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but look at the different thicknesses. So this really thin one down here, I would guess is going to have a really high chance of ripping. These other ones are going to feel much better, and they also have a really good durability, so look for the thicker ones. What's good too is I don't see any felt back versions of this, which is what we had bought on accident for the 2 bathrooms. It takes a totally different type of adhesive, just like the carpets, and it was awful to deal with. So you don't have to worry about that. You should be good with my favorite type of adhesive. So then we come down to a different aisle with the floor adhesives. And you always want to make sure that you read the packages to make sure you're getting the right one. Some of these, as you can see, are for felt backed or carpet or outdoor carpet. My favorite, which is out of stock, the Henry 647 Plum Pro. This one, read the instructions of course. It takes a roller. You can use a 3/8 snap. And then you just roll it on there. Wait the amount of time that it says, usually about 10 minutes, before you then flip it over and use the really heavy 75-pound roller to secure it down. So ask me any other questions you have. I'm here for it.